your lips next to mine,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be creating like a little like Valentine's Day look for you guys. I did this look like a few weeks back and you guys really seem to like it and you guys wanted me to do a tutorial on it. So here it is, and it's like Valentine's Day-y. So this is my Valentine's Day inspired look video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, make sure to like, subscribe, and all that. Y'all know what to do. So let's get started. Okay guys, so like always, we're gonna start by priming the eyelids, and I'm gonna be using the Tarte Shape Tape or whatever I have left of it. As you guys saw in my previous video, I like barely have any more, but I know I'm gonna go buy some. I'm gonna go in with the beauty blender. Okay guys, so now that that's done, I'm gonna be going with my James Charles Morphe palette. I know it's dirty, guys. Like, I clean it, but it just gets dirty again. I'm always like playing around with this palette because this palette you can literally do anything with, and I know it's hard to get because it's always sold out like literally within like an hour, but it's so good. If you guys get the chance to get it, please do. This one I really freaking love. So I'm gonna be going in with this color right here as my base. So now I'm gonna be going in with this light pink color, and I'm just gonna put that all over my crease. I'm gonna be going in with this really bright like magenta color. It's so pretty. I'm gonna be focusing this all like in the crease, and don't blend anything yet. I know I look weird, but do not blend yet. I swear, trust me, do not blend. I'll start blending that like in circular motions. Basically, you're just gonna be repeating the same steps like over and over again. So just gonna keep packing, blending, and just build the color up. If it starts looking a little too harsh, you're gonna get like a more fluffier brush. I'm using the Morphe 505 brush, and you're just gonna be using that to blend out like all the edges. But now I'm gonna be using that same like light pink shade. I'm gonna be using that as a like helping it blend to like the transition or whatever, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing more of like just packing and blending. Okay, so now that it is where you want it to be, you're gonna be going in with this darker like I don't know, this darker pink right here. You're gonna be using that in the inner and outer corners. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so you're gonna be grabbing a little bit the outer corner and the inner corner, and you're gonna be grabbing just like the slightest bit so it can add some dimension to the eye look. Okay, so now I'm gonna be grabbing a little bit more of that like hot pink color on the fluffy brush. I was using to blend everything together, and just gonna be like connecting the dark shades that we use in the inner and outer like corner. Gonna be blending it together. And that's it, guys. I'm just kidding. Okay, so now is the harder part. We're gonna be going in. So a halo eye is like kind of like a cut crease, but just doing it in the middle of your eye. It's not like that, it's just in the middle of your eyes. So make sure you have like a flat like concealer brush. So you're gonna be grabbing some concealer. Okay, so now you're gonna be grabbing the concealer, applying it to the brush, and you're gonna just go like in the middle of your eye, right where your eye like the crease. And you're gonna look up, and then you're going to go on that line right there that you just created when you looked up. So now, dragging it down a line. Okay, now you're gonna make it go more like downwards. that is literally like the hardest part. So now you're gonna be grabbing like a beauty blender and just like blend that and blend the edges of the concealer into the eyeshadow. So now you're gonna be grabbing that fluffy brush and going with that hot pink color. Use it right at the ends. Blend the concealer in with the eyeshadow. So then again, you're gonna go in with like the darker shade and you're gonna go in again, blending that, kind of like making sure it goes like to ombre. So now you're gonna grab the fluffy brush, you get that light pink color we used, and just blend everything together. I'm gonna go in a little bit with the concealer and like just go over the line on top. Okay, so now I'm gonna be using a little like Eco Tools brush. It's a little fluffy like packer brush. My smart paint. Make sure you get it really nice and wet. So now we're gonna be going into this gold shade with the wet brush. So we're gonna focus that in the main, like in the middle, dragging that upwards to the crease line. You're gonna like be dragging it kind of outwards towards the eyeshadow and blending that. Just blend the edges, make sure it's not harsh or anything. So now you're gonna be grabbing that like blending brush and just like pack on whatever's like left actually, and just blend the gold in with the pink. Now we're gonna go ahead and just clean up the eye. So now I'm gonna finish the other eye and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I kind of like just blended out that edge. So you're just gonna blend. I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation. I already primed my face with a Smashbox primer, which I really recommend. I'm gonna just be going in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. I'm in the shade medium beige. Going with the Airspun loose powder. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the Becca Multitasking Perfecting Powder in the shade Golden Dark, and this is the shade I use for like my contour. Okay, so to go with like the gold on my eyelids, I'm going to be using the Becca Prosecco Pop Shimmering Skin Perfector, so the highlight. I'm using this and I really like the texture, guys. Like, so I'm gonna use that little packer brush and I'm just gonna like use that under my eyes. Okay, so now I have the eyelashes on, I'm just gonna go in with the Vice Liquid Lipstick by Urban Decay in the shade Big Bang. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. If you guys enjoyed this look, this Valentine's Day like tutorial. If you have Valentine's or not, you're still beautiful. It doesn't matter. You don't need a man, girl, whatever. Be your own independent self and love yourself. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like or dislike, comment, share, and all of that. And go ahead and follow me on my social media, which will be down below. I will be posting little like tutorials on Instagram soon, so keep an eye on that. And with that said, have a good day, guys. Bye.